Hi, my name is James Walker. I'm President of Open Cloud Connect and Vice President of Managed Network Services at Tata Communications. Cloud is growing and becoming more and more important in both our personal and work lives. And cloud services are becoming a larger and larger part of every enterprise's strategy and plans. Many companies and many suppliers are working in a lot of different areas to provide those services to us. There are network service providers, there are data center operators, and cloud service providers themselves. At the same time, there are many changes happening in terms of how we access cloud services, from mobile access, internet services, private connectivity to cloud, and through all of this, there's a requirement to provide managed services, to integrate end-to-end, and to provide security and privacy. With so many different players and competing requirements, many companies need to come together to solve end-to-end and interoperability issues. And without that interoperability, take-up of cloud services will become more complicated and more expensive. And smaller players already find it difficult to introduce themselves into enterprise ecosystems because of the cost of integration. It's difficult to ensure consistent end-to-end services, including security, alignment with reporting and regulatory requirements. Services will be slower to turn up and more expensive to do so. And applications need to talk to the network and request services dynamically. And the network in turn needs to signal back to the applications resource availability, quality of the service that can be provided. The OCC wants to standardize all these various parts of the end-to-end cloud transaction across this complex ecosystem. We're working in 5 main areas: virtualization, automation, security, programmability, and analytics. Together we call that VASPA. So how do members benefit? They can get their problems addressed by the wider industry that needs to work with them. They can influence the direction and the priorities of that standardization work. They gain early visibility of interface definitions, and they can build those early on into their own applications. They get to interact with other like-minded companies in a common direction. And above all, the ability to position themselves as leaders in a space which is evolving rapidly and requiring standardization. A real innovation is the OCC Test Lab, which brings a DevOps approach to standards development. This allows us to do real-time interface specification and develop test cases. This drives an agile standards development approach and is well aligned to eventually testing for compliance as well. If your business uses or provides cloud services, we invite you to join and get involved in defining the future of cloud. You'll benefit from solving your business challenges and reducing costs, improving your interoperability with the other parts of the cloud ecosystem, and accelerating adoption of cloud in the market. Thank you.